Hi friends, today we will do a watercolor scenery painting. Watercolor is a very translucent medium, which means that you can do a very loose style of painting. But nevertheless, you could also implement stricter or tighter style of painting in this medium. I am going to use both the styles in today's painting. The foreground, I am going to be a little more stricter in my style of painting, and in the background I am just going to do a very loose style of painting. There is nothing wrong with either of these methods. If you like looser style, you can just complete the entire painting with a loose style of painting. And if you like more of a realism and if you want to add a lot of details to the object, then you could go ahead and use the strict or the tight style of painting. In each of these cases, just the method of how you apply the watercolors just varies. Ultimately, the aim is to have fun while painting and enjoy the entire process. If you are new to my channel and if you are watching this for the first time, I post video tutorials every single week. So please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button so that you get notified as soon as my videos are out. Hi, this is Madhula for Madhula Creations. Let's get started. I'm going to use these 4 brushes today: 000, size 1 and size 10 round brush and size 5 flat brush. I'm going to work on this Fabriano watercolor paper and I'm going to use this Daler and Rowney travel set pancake.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also subscribe to my channel as I post video tutorials every single week. See you in the next video. Bye bye.